I the only one seeing this?
Oh my gosh! Oh no!
Go! Oh, baymax! Get him! No! What are you doing?
I'm saving your life.
Baymax can handle that guy!
Oh no.
Wasabi!
Oh, goodbye!
Hiro, explanation now.
He stole my microbots. He started the fire. I don't know who he is. Baymax, palm heel strike!
Hard left!
That mask, the black suit. We're under attack from a supervillain, people! I mean, how cool is that? I mean, it's scary, obviously, but how cool?
Why are we stopped?
The light's red!
There are no red lights in a car chase!
Why is he trying to kill us? Why are you trying to kill us?
It's classic villain! We've seen too much!
Let's not jump to conclusions. We don't know. He's trying to kill us.
Car!
He's trying to kill us! Did you just put your blinker on?
You have to indicate your turn. It's the law.
That's it.
Stop the car. Baymax and I can take this guy.
Seatbelts save lives. Buckle up every time.
What are you doing?